Hey everybody, I'm going to be putting on some Farmasi makeup. So yeah, let's get started. First I'm going to use my eye cream because of my puffy bags. Always want to take care of your eyes and face. You know, you want to keep yourself looking young, fit, act, whatever. You know what I'm saying. So I usually do this before I do videos. That way I don't have to worry about it. But I'm trying to hurry today because I gotta hurry up and go. You see, I gotta go to work. Yay, the fun of being an essential worker, y'all. How many people are working? I mean, seriously. Okay, VFX Pro Camera Ready Primer. You always want to use a primer. Always. I'm gonna have to get me some more soon. But it's all good. I get a discount, 50% off. If y'all want to get 50% off, click my link and join my team, and you will save 50% off instantly. You don't have to sell if you don't want to, but as long as you make a purchase every 6 months, you're good. I'll put a little bit more. My face feels a little dry. Need to get some skincare stuff soon. That's going to be my next purchase. I just got a few things that I'm fixing to put on my face the Saturday. Today is Monday, May, 4th, 3rd? I don't even know what today's date is. That's bad. May 4th. Tomorrow will be Cinco de Mayo. Yay. And we can't party. Alright. Then, I'm going to use the CC cream. And it says Color Control. Alright. And this is the light to medium, which is awesome. It smells amazing. I'm going to try and use a flat foundation brush. Usually, I don't use a brush. I use my hands because I feel like I get better blending with my hands. I'm going to use my mirror over here. It might look like it's a lot, but it's really not. As soon as I get blended in, it'll set to my skin color. And I just wiped some of it off. Crap. Alright. No, I didn't. It's still there. I got asthma, y'all. I gotta find my inhaler. I actually might use this brush more. It looks so much better than the other one I used. Alright. I've got to get concealer so I can do it better. Always get down your neck. That way you don't have two tones. You don't want to have those lines. I think I will be using this brush more. This one actually done better than the other one I was using. And my beauty blender got ate up by my dog. I love her though. I'm not mad at her anymore. I really wasn't though. It was a joke. Alright, let's put the lid back on. Now, the Pro Fit to Fit eyeshadow primer. Just using my other finger to blend it a little bit. I'm using one finger and then the other finger to blend it, if you was wondering what I'm doing. All right. Next, as I get done, I'm going to start putting them back in my box. No corona, I promise. I've just got asthma. And my asthma's bothering me today. And allergies. Y'all, my allergies are so bad this year. It's ridiculous. Eye curler. For the mascara, when you do your eyelashes, you want to curl your eyes. Eyelashes, not your eyes, but you know what I mean. It's Monday, y'all. Bear with me. All right. And this is taupe. You can actually use this as, oops, shoot, that one got wet. You can actually use this one not only as eyeshadow, you can use it as contour. All of Farmasi's products are very versatile. You can get so many uses out of it. I'm going to use this as my bottom layer. Like my transition color. And I always hold my hand down a little bit so that I don't have a heavy hand and it's not too dark. I want a little dark, but not dark. Does that make sense? All right. And I'm going to use this to blend it a little bit. So it's not so dark. It looks darker on camera than it does in the mirror. All right, let's go to my right eye. Now I'm leaving a space open for my other color, if y'all are wondering. Okay, it looks the same. All right, now, this is our forest green pigment. Hang on, let me wipe that taupe off of my hands. Some of the particle got on it. And it's got a little shaker. It's so cute. And you just shake a little bit into the lid. Close the top. You don't want to lose any of it. Beautiful. I love this one. I'm going to get more pigments. And you can also use the pigments for nail polish. Stick it in some clear nail polish. Mix it around, shake it, you know. And you got a different color. You can also use this as lipstick, but I'm not going to do that today. If you want to see me use it as lipstick, go to my Facebook page, Catherine Fowler, and check it out. I used it the other day, Saturday night, when I got home from work. I done a live. Okay, now I'm gonna go to my one of my favorite brushes, because it's got this little cute little tip on it, and I'm gonna put it on the bottom. I'm gonna put it down here, about from there to there. Hopefully my video didn't screw up. I noticed it just froze. And I'm going to blend it just a tad. I'm almost done, y'all. I've been 11 minutes. This is a cute little quick look. Maybe under 20 minutes. That's my goal. Under 20 minutes, because I got to get going here in a minute. It's looking good, y'all. Looking good. Please subscribe to my channel if you don't mind. I don't have a lot of followers, and in order for me to do lives, I have to have more followers. So please like it, subscribe to my channel. I'd greatly appreciate it. Shop my products. Okay, this is the Express Eye Pencil, black. I'm going to get me a pencil sharpener, y'all. What is it, Ziggy? Ziggy gotta go potty? My pet. She's spoiled rotten. What is it? What is it? Let's see if y'all can see her. Baby girl. Ziggy. Say hey to everybody. She is rotten, y'all. Alright. I'm almost done, guys. I promise. Okay. Next, I'm going to go with the Zen mascara. I've already curled my eyes, lashes, but I'm going to curl them again. I know, baby. I'm almost done. Give mommy just a minute. If y'all have pets, you know about your fur babies. You know how spoiled they are. All right. There's one. I'm almost done, baby girl. Let me finish. Hopefully this is recording and it don't do me like it did the last time. I don't have good signal, so I was recording for no reason. It didn't record anything. I'm not left-handed, but I'm going to attempt this left-handed. There's my eyes. Next, I'm going to go in with the Nude Essence number 3 liquid matte liquid lipstick. And there's that one. All under 20 minutes. Then, last, the Tom Locker spray. This is going to set your face all day. No touch-ups, nothing. Let that dry. Flawless look in under 20 minutes. You can do it too. Please drop my link. Subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for joining my video, watching it. Any questions, leave them in the comments. Yeah, y'all have a great day. I'll see y'all real soon.